Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't need to memorize anything or take notes. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll start learning English and understanding American traditions without even realizing it. Today's video is all about costumes, candy, pumpkins, and spooky fun. That's right, we're talking about Halloween, one of the most popular and fascinating holidays in the United States. But have you ever wondered why Americans celebrate Halloween? Let's take a closer look at where it comes from, what it means, and how it's celebrated today. The origins of Halloween go back over 2,000 years to an ancient Celtic festival called Samhain, pronounced Samhain. The Celts, who lived in what is now Ireland, believed that on the night of October 31st, the boundary between the living and the dead became blurry. Spirits could walk among the living, and people would light bonfires and wear costumes to keep them away. When Christianity spread through Europe, the church created All Saints' Day on November 1st to honor saints and martyrs. The night before became known as All Hallows' Eve, which eventually turned into Halloween. When European immigrants came to America, they brought some of their Halloween traditions with them. Over time, Halloween changed and grew into a holiday that focused less on spirits and more on community fun, especially for children. Today in the U.S., Halloween is celebrated on October 31st with a mix of fun, fear, and creativity. Children dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating, knocking on doors and asking for candy. People decorate their homes with jack-o'-lanterns, ghosts, skeletons, and cobwebs. Haunted houses and costume parties are also very popular. Halloween has become a huge part of American culture, not just for kids, but for people of all ages. It's a time to express yourself, be someone else for a night, and enjoy all things spooky in a fun way. From scary movies to pumpkin spice everything, Halloween is now a season, not just a day. And beyond the fun, Halloween reflects something deeper about American culture: the love of imagination, creativity, and celebration. It's a chance for people to come together, laugh, and enjoy traditions that go back centuries, even if they don't realize it. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why Americans celebrate Halloween, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your moment to review everything you've learned and practice your English in a fun and effective way. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and keep creating amazing content just for you. See you in the next adventure.